Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every week. So stay tuned. Whoa. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every week. So what is up, guys? What is up? I know, pretty late once again. Sorry about that. I've been freaking super busy. Anyway, so I am just gonna put this out there real quick, guys, because I want you guys to have a video so we can continue our series. Today's pick is going to be Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens, I can't say much about it right now because obviously I'm recording from my phone right now. I'm at work, just been super busy, but that's going to be the token of this week. I'll try to post it. Stellar Lumens. I'm going to go ahead and, after I'm done with this video, I'm going to go ahead and record my little thing here. And then I'm going to post it up so that way you guys can see Stellar Lumens. I'm just going to go ahead and bring up the old phone here. And so yeah, here's, what are we doing? We're just going to go straight to Stellar Lumens. Let me pull it up here. We're going to go straight to Stellar Lumens. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click our purchase. We're going to go ahead and add our little 20 bucks. And then we are going to buy. So here we go. Stellar Lumens, the token of the day. I want to talk more about this token. I want to show you guys about this token. So I'm probably going to try to make a video about that. That way you guys can check it out. I also need some meme token recommendations. All my Twitter fam, shoot me some meme token recommendations. Meme token, because that's what we like here. We like meme coins. Meme coins make the bucks, guys. All these tokens that we're investing in here for beginners, this is more for, people that don't know what they're doing, don't know what they're investing in. We're just doing this because these are pretty stable tokens. They've been out for a while. We're investing in on Coinbase. So, volatility is there, but it's not as high as the meme token. So I'm going to start making more videos on meme tokens once again for the more advanced crypto traders. But as of right now, this is what you got. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you